When you are pulled in different directions and it's hard to make a choice or a decision, it helps to speak it out loud. So that's why sometimes it's helpful to talk to other people, even though they may not give you any actual advice or help. But when we speak out loud, the thought process is different. We have to form full sentences, we have to organize thoughts in logical order. So it helps us figure out things. To put things in writing also helps us to organize our thoughts and come up with more sensible solution. And also quiet time is important because only in silence our brain, so in silence, not just quiet, but when you don't have any external information coming in, we're so bombarded. TV, music, people, phone, nonstop, Facebook, YouTube. It's constant bombarding of information and noise once a day, at least once a day, 20 minutes, half an hour if you have that time. Everything has to be silent, and you just give your brain time to process this information. And in that silence, that quietness, your brain can come up with more complex solutions. Because whatever from outside information coming in, brain only can take in stuff. It cannot process it. Everything has to go quiet. You have to shut out everything. Only then, whatever came in, brain can process and organize and use it. So quiet time. So number one, remember what you really want. Allow yourself to read. Number two, speak out loud with other people so your brain can organize information. Number three, put things in writing. And number four, give yourself that luxury of quietness each day, half an hour, whatever you have.